Hey guys. I am in fact moving across the country. There's a couple of things that I wanted to do. One of them is I want to make a charm necklace. I'm also piercing my ears by myself. I may or may not have ordered the stuff on Amazon to do it. I'll insert a clip like of her channel. I saw her wearing like this charm necklace and it was like a beachy one, and I found where she got it. She like got it on online on a website, but I was like, I want to make my own. I have each of my friends choose a charm that like symbolizes them, I guess. So like one of my friends, she's a little country girl, so she has like a little cowboy boot, and another one of my friends loves like musical theater, like singing, so she's doing like a music note. We're gonna go and get some of that today. I also kind of want to keep them all gold because I am a gold girly always. Look, I have my little it's a little gold bar and it says Samuel on it, because so I kind of want to keep this one, and I want the other one to become like below it and have like all the charms of like my girlfriends. See what they have like there, because it's right near where I'm going to the gym and also near where I'm working. So I'm also live, laugh, love Maddie. She goes, be famous. Trying, girl, I'm trying. Stop, that's so cute. Hey, so I'm doing this like little DIY little project thing, right? Pick a charm that like would remind me of you. Cutesy, right? Bye-bye. That was actually so scary. But I went to pretend on the couch, right? And my laptop was on like the foot of it and it almost just died. We're gonna go head to the store. I think we're gonna go to the Valley View Mall, because they seem to have more of the charms that I want, and we're gonna see if I can figure this out. It's gonna be adorable and I'm going to love it. It's gonna remind me of all my friends. The fit right now is absolutely like vile, but we're on our way to the mall to go find and see if we can get this stuff for this necklace, because it's gonna happen. We're gonna make it. It's gonna be amazing and gorgeous. We are here. I need my case. With these picked out. So I think we're good. I think we caught them all. That was $45. I'm contemplating all my life choices. This better be the best necklace I've ever had in my entire life. Like, that was really expensive for like no reason. Hey y'all, so we're back at home. Goods, and we're gonna start making this. I'm super excited. So basically, I just measured this and I want it about here. You can't really see, but I take the sweatshirt off so I could like make it bigger than this. But it's about here, and that's where I'm going to clip it. Also, if any of you guys want to know how I made these necklaces or how I put the jewelry together, I can definitely make a separate video explaining it. It's really not that hard. You kind of just open up the little clasp that comes with the charm, if that makes any sense, and then you attach it to the necklace. But if you want like an in-depth tutorial, just let me know. Oh my goodness. Now, can I just say I'd rather work with string over metal any day of the week. And honestly, I don't know. Okay, so I'm not a very bulky necklace kind of girl, and I feel like it's just a lot. Like, this is what I always wear. Like, literally, this is it. So, see how I feel about it. I kind of love it because it's, like, cutesy and, like, memories and everything, but I'll let you know how I feel. It's super cute, and I can always use it, like, put it on my rearview mirror, like, in my car. I'd say worth it. Okay, so I actually ended up loving this necklace, like actually, and I've gotten so many compliments on it. Like people think it's so cool and people just honestly think it's cute, and it's actually not as bulky as I thought it was gonna be, and I love wearing it with like low cut tops because it really like shows it off. Hey guys, Landon is in fact being really mean to me right now, but the ear piercing stuff did just come in. I have like aftercare like solution and this, so we're gonna see. It's probably not gonna be tonight. Hey, so we did a thing last night and it's fine, but look, I don't hate it, actually. I have a little mirror right here. Now I kind of want to do my third. Overall experience, stressful, but it wasn't bad. Like, it didn't hurt. I wasn't, like, terrified. And then I cleaned it a lot last night. And I literally just, like, spritz and then spritz behind. And then it moves around fine. Fine. They don't hurt. Literally did them last night. But, like, third. You take an alcohol wipe, you alcohol wipe it, you take these, and you put it through. That's pretty much it. It's really easy. That's why I was like, I'm kind of tempted. The issue is that I have really tiny ears, so I don't know if it's gonna fit to redo it. My thing is that I can always take them out and they're close. Is that bad? Is it a bad theory to have? I think it is. I'm still shaking. It's such a thrill. I blame my adrenaline junkie boyfriend. Now those are a little more. So we're gonna let those sit for just a minute. We're gonna spray. It's literally been like 3 minutes, but I do have to say this one, I feel like it's stinging a little bit more, but I was also so tired last night that I couldn't even tell you what was happening. Probably wasn't the best idea, but you know, oh well. I am just coating it because this feels very nice on my fingers, and I just threw something on the ground. I'll update you all at the end of today and let you know like my final thoughts. And then I think what I want to do is at the end of a week or so, I'm gonna change these out and do like really good quality, like sterling silver or like gold plated or something, so it doesn't get too irritated. But the other ones, like last night, I literally was sleeping on my side. Like I woke up and I was on my side. It didn't even hurt, so yeah, I'll keep you updated. Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick little update for my earrings because it's been about 2 days since I did my second and a day and a half since I did my third. So if you see, they're healing quite nicely actually. It seems to be healing like pretty nicely, and there's no, this one had a little bit, like the second had a little bit of blood, but other than that, no. I can fully like twist them, but I have been spraying the little piercing stuff like multiple times a day, making sure I keep them clean. I work at a pool, but I'm still not getting in the pool. I'm just trying to like make sure my hair doesn't get caught in them. But yeah, doing good so far. Hey guys, so it's been about 2 weeks-ish, 2-ish weeks since I did my ear piercing, and they're still there. So about a week after I did it, I changed the earrings into like gold. I don't have my first one in right now, but I do have these two. I have the heart, and then I just have a little gold ball. I changed them to gold. I got them at like Claire's. They're cheap, but like better quality than the like $8 ones that I got on like Amazon. The only thing that I've really noticed is it's kind of like peeling almost, which is giving a little bit of infection, and like they still kind of hurt, like they're a little sore, but they're definitely not as bad. Like there was a period of time for like, I'd say about like a week or two, where like Sam would like go like this, and like he would like accidentally like touch it, and I'd be like like it was bad. But now like I can touch them, I can like move my ear around, and it's like, I mean it's still sore, but it's not like deathly pain, and I can sleep on my side pretty easily. Usually I try not to, just so I don't like irritate it even more. I'm still using the cleaning solution, which seems to be helping a lot, and I can't really do much now because I just put nails on, but I'm trying to still keep it clean and trying not to touch it as much, because that was my big issue. I just kept touching it. My ears are also super sensitive, so I kind of expected this, but they seem to be doing good. Not too much pain. I love it. It's cute. I can't wait till I get to put like actual little hoops in it, and like I just want to like little layer my hoops. But yeah, so headed up to California in 2 days, but yeah.